is John Duncan, your local military realtor, and I am out. Jose and I are out here at Woodland Crossing, and we have Heather Holbrook here.
Hi there.
And I'm gonna tell you something. We've had some good barbecue, some good conversations, and hey, they're hosting an awesome open house out here, and they have some beautiful floor plans out here. But I'm gonna shut up now, and I'm gonna let Heather talk. So how you doing today, Heather?
I'm doing well. How are you? I'm glad to have you.
Yeah, I'm good. So I want you to tell these viewers out here what you all have to offer here at Woodland Crossing.
Woodland Crossing is located here in Chapin off of West Singer Road. We are prior to getting into the town of Chapin, so it's easy access, and you're about less than 10 miles to the interstate, so it's great if you have to commute into the town of or into Columbia. We've got over 20 homes available right now, with another 40 up and coming. We have one of our most popular that we sell quite a bit of is called the Georgetown. Jose actually owns one in another community that he bought from us.
Yeah, it's a beautiful home.
I actually bought it back about over a year ago. I love it because it has a 3-car garage. It has a master bedroom downstairs. It has 4 bedrooms in the second floor. You got total 4.5 bathrooms with a loft or media room if you want it. It's about 34, close to 3,500 square feet. So it's pretty good if you got a large family.
Well, it's his house. It's his house. That was unscripted. Jose, clearly that was going to be Heather's role. So, Heather, tell us more about the Georgetown now that Jose has just told us all about the Georgetown. Well, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
You said that you guys have 20 homes available currently, correct?
Correct.
Are they already done and completed, or what's the completion time?
We have approximately 10 to 12 of them that can be done within the next 30 to 45 days.
Oh, wow.
And then we have another dozen that'll be done by December.
Understand.
And there's something wonderful about all of those homes is that we have a very special program that we're offering through D.R. Horton, through the seller.
Okay.
When you use the preferred lender, which is DHI Mortgage, an affiliate of the company, it is a interest rate under 5%.
Under 5%.
It is a locked rate under 5% through closings up to December 31st, which is a wonderful, unheard of opportunity with today's rates.
That is amazing to come in because interest rates are creeping up. I was just watching the Feds, and they said they're going to bring them up. So under 5% that's significant.
Yes.
Like, so also what Heather said, if you were paying attention, is that they're going to have these homes ready within 30 days. So you could be in your house before Thanksgiving, right?
Yes.
Potentially. And you could be in your house
Before New Year's.
Before New Year's or before Christmas.
Yes.
So potentially, if we really pushed it, before Halloween. You know, so
there's only a couple homes to that, but,
Now,
we'll make it happen.
I was going to see how far I can go.
Builders too, yes.
I was going to see how far I can go until she said it.
Yes.
But imagine being able to come into a beautiful home. Come check out the Georgetown. What's the address?
The address here, I don't actually have the address.
It's 503 Pine Log Run. 503 Pine Log Run. You got to come check out this beautiful Georgetown floor plan. Wouldn't it be amazing that they get to come into the house? What an awesome Christmas gift.
It is a
right?
Christmas gift.
What an awesome time to potentially break bread after you move all your stuff in, to break bread in your brand new home, a D.R. Horton home. So we have Heather Holbrook and Elaine. How can they get in contact with you guys?
Hey.
Elaine, you're the site agent?
Correct.
Elaine is the site agent. So how can people get in contact with you, Elaine?
Please call me at 803-318-5468.
5468.
Call, text, email.
Yeah.
ecdbaker@drhorton.com.
And I would like one more thing, John.
Go ahead.
You don't have to buy a Georgetown. We have plenty of other homes, including more of a ranch plan that's a little bit smaller.
Okay.
It has an upstairs to it. And they range anywhere from the mid-300s up over slightly more. But there's lots of different styles of homes out here depending on your lifestyle. But we have one that'll fit your need.
That is awesome because ranches are, I'm getting up in age.
Hard to come by.
Yeah, and listen, been in the military, I know I say I'm getting up in age, but I'm 39 years old, but my body feels 70. So having a ranch or having a one-level home is amazing. I mean, it really does have its perks because some people don't like to climb stairs. I've had to transition people saying, why are you selling your home? I said, because I'm tired of going up the stairs. So you guys can accommodate them with that as well.
We can.
And that's great. So go ahead.
There's another thing too that these homes come with. It's called the smart home. Basically, you can control everything through your phone. Like you can open, close garage, like the temperature in your house. So that's another thing that I personally like about the homes. So
Yeah, so you're hearing it first from somebody that actually lives in a DR Horton home. He's talking about a smart home. But Elaine, you want to elaborate more on that?
We're going to recruit Jose.
Jose? He's part of Excel. He's part of Upside Property. He's already taken. You can't have Jose.
Yes, some of the other features that the smart home package comes with too.
Okay.
You get the Sky Bell, which is great
Okay.
for when you are not at home. You can see packages coming through. You can answer on your phone and
Okay.
say, "Hey, just leave it there."
Awesome.
It also has the keyless entry.
Awesome. And what is that?
It's basically where you have a little keypad and you just punch in your code.
Okay. So you can open. That's
and you
awesome.
can lock it with the push of a button.
Your,
Now-
your thermostat, everything.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can
Yeah.
control. You could essentially control your entire house, or your house will talk to you through your phone.
And
that,
you can
that is
add
included
as
with
many,
every home. Yes.
as many add-ons as you want.
Okay.
You can sign up for the monthly monitoring through ADT.
Okay.
You're not required to do that to make these other features work, but that is, a nice option that they do offer as well.
That is amazing. So, Woodland Crossing, here out in Chapin. Come check out the model home to Georgetown, and you'll get to see Jose's house, essentially. And it's at, Elaine, could you please give us that address
It's
one more time?
at 503 Pine Log Run.
503 Pine Log Run in Chapin, South Carolina. What's the zip code?
It's 29036. Well, one more thing I'm going to throw in.
Go ahead.
Chapin is the heart of Lake Murray.
Oh,
So we are
yeah.
surrounded by water.
Okay.
We're 3 minutes to the public access. It's a beautiful boat launch. Has a little sandy beach, paddleboard, kayak, or you can load in your boat or your pontoon and have a wonderful day at the lake, less than 3 minutes away.
Less than 3 minutes away to get into the water.
Yeah.
So the convenience of, if you like the lake life and you like to go swimming, come out to Woodlands Crossing. Come just take a look at the beautiful floor plans they got out here. And I promise you won't be disappointed. Now, Jose, I need you to say something in Spanish to the Spanish viewers.
hola. Si quieren venir a ver estas propiedades aquí, están muy bonitas, están muy grandes para personas que tienen familia muy grande. La casa tiene como 3,400 pies y está cerquita del lago aquí, del lago Lake Murray. So, si quieren venir a verlas, pueden venir. Llámame 803-365-5461.
That is awesome. That's
Thank you.
This is
Thank you.
great.
This has been fun.
This has been really fun.
Yeah.
And listen, once again, this is Woodlands Crossing. Come see Elaine. I've been ear hustling. She sounds like she's a hoot, and she's very fun and funny to be around, happy to be around, and she knows this area quite well. Heather, it's been pleasant talking to you, and I believe that, how can people get in contact? Did you already give me your number?
I did not. No,
Yeah.
you can contact me. I'm actually more in the central office location.
Okay.
If you have any questions about DR Horton in general for Columbia,
Yeah.
my number is 803-269-8187.
This is great. So DR Horton, Woodlands Crossing, not that far from Lake Murray. You get a smart home. They have a vast different floor plans, where from a ranch to a 3-car garage to a 5-bedroom, 4-3. They meet all your needs, and it's a beautiful
And
neighborhood.
an amenity swimming pool. So you
And-
can just swim whether you like the lake or not.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't want to go to the lake,
Go right into your own
walk
community and have a pool.
Go to the pool. So once again, I'm John Duncan with Upside Property by way of Excel, and you can only go from here. Peace.
Adios.
Bye.
Thank you.